Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. This is Tom with the TMP Group. Today is Friday, November the 12th, 2021. I just want to jump in real quick today, give a quick update on where we see Bitcoin going this weekend specifically, and the catalysts that are presented this weekend. If you are in cryptocurrency, specifically in Bitcoin, we do believe this could be the last chance before the next run. So wanted to get this out early enough for those of you that are watching and listen to it to take advantage of some of the information that we found here in the group. As always, if you like what you see, like what you hear, hit the like button. It does help with the YouTube algorithm to get this out to more people as we build our channel. If you'd like to subscribe for updates on the market, updates on specific stocks, what investments the TMP Group are making, what we're buying, what we're selling, what we're holding on to, not only in the stock market, certain indices, and cryptocurrency. If you would like to subscribe to the channel, do that. Share it with friends and family. And let's jump right into it. Bitcoin spot ETF approval is expected to trigger another Bitcoin price rally. So we've had one ETF approval already. That was a futures ETF that got approved back in October, and that sent the price of Bitcoin skyrocketing. We do think that if the VanEck ETF, spot ETF, gets approved, then this could trigger another great rally. So the final deadline by the SEC is fast approaching, and that is on November 14th on Sunday, the 14th. Not sure what time. However, we do know that Bitcoin likes to move on the weekends because my opinion is that there are no stocks to trade, so money that is sitting on the sideline likes to get put into cryptocurrency. This is not financial advice. This is entertainment purposes only. It's only the opinions and views of the TMP Group, myself, and fellow traders and investors. Application on the SEC's decision has influenced Bitcoin price positively. And we've seen a nice hold in the mid 60s, as high as 68 on Thursday, and back down to 62, 63, 64, kind of coiling and consolidating right now. Now, if there is rejection on the VanEck ETF, we would expect that to trigger a drop in Bitcoin price. So buyer beware, investor beware. Where there is high reward, there's also high risk. And as Bitcoin and Ethereum specifically become more stable coins, there's still massive volatility. We do not promote swing trading or day trading. We are long-term holders in both Bitcoin and Ethereum, with Ethereum being our highest conviction play and our highest holding, Bitcoin being number 2. Analysts expect Bitcoin price to continue upward climb as bullish bias in Bitcoin future markets persists. So what does this all mean? As the deadline for the VanEck Bitcoin ETF approaches, the experts believe this could be a watershed moment for Bitcoin. The approval of ProShares Bitcoin Future ETF, like I said, that did trigger a rally in Bitcoin price and push the asset to its next all-time high. We now await approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF. Again, the deadline for the VanEck spot ETF is November 14th. That's Sunday. And the SEC approved, when they approved the Bitcoin future ETF, it triggered a massive rally back in October. Like I said, where it hit a new all-time high and continued its upward climb. Now, interesting, Bitwise Invest withdrew the Bitcoin futures ETF application earlier on Thursday this week, and the firm's spot filing approval still awaits. Matt Hogan is the CIO of Bitwise Invest, and he recalled the filing of the first Bitcoin spot ETF. Bitwise is bullish on a spot ETF approval since it's designed to track Bitcoin directly. So the futures ETF doesn't track Bitcoin directly, just it tracks the futures, but the spot ETF will be an exact tracking of Bitcoin price directly. Hugan made a statement, and he said, ultimately, what many investors want is a spot Bitcoin ETF. We think that's possible. So Bitwise will continue to pursue that goal and look for other ways to help investors get access to the incredible opportunities in crypto. And we all know there's extreme opportunity, incredible opportunities in cryptocurrency. Chris Harms, managing director of BVNK, he recognized that institutional investors now have an appetite for regulated financial services in crypto. And we hear a lot of back and forth on cryptocurrency or digital dollar. Only problem with digital dollar is that it is closed end within the United States and other countries that do accept or use the dollar. However, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin as a whole, is universal worldwide. Here's a quote from Chris Harms. There's a huge appetite out there among many audiences of regulated financial services rooted in the world of cryptocurrency. For us, we're focused on delivering. So he says we're focused on delivering these fast growth businesses and financial service providers. The Securities and Exchange Commission decision is now less than 72 hours away. 72 hours away from this decision, which means that if you're in position right now and it pops, then you'll benefit. If you are in position and it drops, then we wait until the next bounce. If you're in position and it pops, you're going to be happy that you had the position that you had. So we want to get in before the train starts to pull away from the station. It is a slow-moving train. We believe we're in early innings of cryptocurrency, that there's still plenty of time. We hold a strong price target that this coin will be over $100,000 in the next 6 to 12 months, and firmly believe that that Bitcoin has what it takes in order to make that next leg higher. So we have evaluated all the Bitcoin price trends, and we do make note that this asset does present the most bullish setup. So we think it's going to be huge. Tell me what you think in the comments. Again, if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, subscribe, hit the bell notifications. We sure appreciate you stopping in today. It is Friday. The week is about to close up. It's not quite market close yet for the stock market, but I wanted to drop this off today because this could be the last chance that we get into Bitcoin before it hits 100,000. I'll update some videos over the weekend, specifically on Bitcoin. I did one yesterday on Dogecoin. I think that it's very healthy for the crypto market. I think that the fourth quarter and into January, February of next year will be very healthy for cryptocurrency. I don't think that we're going to get that big crypto winter that we get every time the cycle finishes, because there's more adoption and more stability now in all coin. So Bitcoin trading at $64,000 currently. If you have 10%, you have 6,400 in it, and it jumps to 100,000, then you're up to 10,000. If you have 64,000, it jumps to 100,000. Then you've made 36,000. Guys, it doesn't matter what position you have, how large or how small. If you believe in something, put a position into it. I always like to say that our best investment we make is investment in ourselves, investment in the future. We're not gamblers, we're investors, but we do believe that the best bet that you can make in life is betting on yourself, staying convicted. Have conviction in stocks and cryptocurrency that you firmly believe in. That way, when they drop, you look at it as a buying opportunity, which is what it is, not a panic sell. We never want to panic sell. When others are running away, we want to jump in. Okay, when others are jumping in, we've got to be careful. We do like to hold our position, and we are long-term holders on this. Hope everyone has a great weekend. A fantastic finish to their Friday. Hope your portfolios end up green, and hope to catch you on the next video. Thanks.